Hi friends, good morning. Welcome back to this mind-blowing video. Did you know that self-published ebook authors earn over $1 billion every year on platforms? Very many platforms like Amazon, Gumroad, Payhip, and Seller. And here is the best part I want to share with you. Many of these bestsellers, the ebook sellers, started just with their cheap smartphones. Because I know someone out there, you are fighting with your keyboard to say, those people are rich people. No, some of them did not have even a camera. They did not have a laptop. They did not have a very expensive gadget. What they had is some knowledge, and even they had a little consistency. I'm one of them. You guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can earn at least $2,000 every single month with just one powerful digital product. We have different digital products, but today we are going to be talking about ebook. An ebook is a very important thing that everyone can access, can do. But if you're not told or if you're not exposed, you might not know you have riches hidden within you. And remember, this is not a get-rich scheme. No way. If you see $2,000, you might think, no, you people, I'll go and get whooping sums of money tonight. It's a process. You have to build long-term passive income. You know, here, we always talk about passive income. Guys, this is a disclaimer. I'm not a financial guru. I'm not a financial consultant. I'm a simple lady that tries to dispense what I know, what I've tested, and what people, the minor people are doing. Out of the majority, at least 20% are using this. Now, let's dive in. But before diving, I salute every Immaculate Shop person. I salute every person that comes here. Special thanks to Mom Joe's. Special thanks to Charles. Special thanks to Megan. And every person out there. I shout out your name, guys. I love you so much. Thanks for this engagement. Thanks for pushing us and reach where we are. There are different steps, like 5 steps you have to follow for you to make this $2,000 out of the ebook. Because the ebook, you have to create it. Now, we're going to see the first one is about topic. You have to choose a profitable topic for you to make this money come forth. Yes, with choosing a right topic, it means it will add you a lot of things and it will sell rightly. So for you to choose the right topic, you have to ask yourself 3 questions. One is, what do I know that others want to learn? Like me, I sat down and I'm like, what do others want to learn? I came to find out, even up to now, that people don't really appreciate that there is making money on smartphones and social media. The few who know, the 1% that knows, cannot share also openly. The second one is, the question you need to ask yourself is, what problem can I help people to solve? Because we need to be problem solvers. Then the third one is, what stories can I tell that can inspire or guide other people? You guys, you have stories that another person is waiting for your story to cure, to have hope, to move on. It can be financial, it can be marital, it can be economical, social in any ways. Let me highlight for you some of the examples of ebooks, that ebook niches that can sell for you very well. 1, there's making money online, or you can call it side hustle. 2, there is health and fitness, whereby weight loss, people are selling things right and left now. Anyone who comes up even with powdered water, powdered soil says, I have something, and people buy. But now for you, if you have knowledge about this, come and venture into an ebook. There is self-improvement and productivity. There is faith-based testimonies. These are testimonial stories. There is parenting, marriage, relationship. You can venture into an ebook on this. Then we have the important one, which I wouldn't leave behind. It is skills like photography, graphic design, cooking, and many others. You don't need to be an expert, guys. What you need to be, you just be 2 steps ahead of someone else and package your experience in a helpful way. The second step, you need to write and format your ebook. Yes, don't panic, because if I know most people, when they hear there's something about writing and reading, they start thinking, I don't have a degree, I don't have a laptop. No, apps like Google with your smartphone can write an ebook. Microsoft Word, Notions allow you to even type and edit and even save everything easily. I'm using Google Documents. You can use them. You can find Google Documents on iPhone or even Android. Here is simple format to follow and make your ebook successful. 1, you have to have a catchy title. 2, you have to have a subtitle, introduction to tell them what this ebook is all about. What do they expect? Then chapters, you break down into steps and stories or lessons. Then you come to conclusion, whereby you're going to give call to action. Or even you can summarize a strong encouragement. What I advise you, let your book be between 20 to 50 or 30 to 50, 20 to 30 pages. Let it be short, but when it is packed with value. Can we see the third one? It is choose a platform to sell it. Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing is doing this, and it is reaching global readers. Then if you want to go for digital sellers and great for creative minds, you go for Gumroad. Then for Africans, whereby you can even use your mobile money, you go to PayHip or Seller. These ones are perfect. You can even go ahead and use your social media platforms and your status to sell these books. The only thing I can advise you on is to make sure that you offer bonuses and even put some short videos to sell this book so fast. The fourth tip, which is second to last, is market your ebook daily. You know, even the best ebook won't sell itself if no one sees it. Seriously, you know that. Use free marketing methods like creating short contents on YouTube Shorts like TikTok, Facebook Reels, then post testimonials and also post the reviews, value quotes from your ebook, start a Telegram or WhatsApp group to nurture your audience, use email list or DMs to reach your contacts for this. But mind you, your goal should not be to sell the book, it is to build curiosity and trust. Don't sell the book. What you do, sell the solution it is providing. Get to know this, you guys. To be realistic, let's see how we can get $2,000 if today we say we are going to choose a niche out of these niches I've told you and make a book. How do we do it? For example, you sell your ebook at $10. You only need 7 sales to make $2,100 a month per day. And these 7 people out of 8 billion, totally it is doable. It can't fail you. And once the ebook is done and selling, it keeps making money over and over. And this is what we call passive income, whereby you get money even when you're sleeping. The only thing I would advise you on reaching the $2,000, it is not a baby joke. You have to work towards it. You have to add testimonials and reviews on social medias and social proofs that you've sold. You have to create a mini course or coaching upsells. You have to collaborate with influencers and affiliate marketeers. Then you create bundles like buy 3 books and you get this, or buy 2 books and you get it at a less amount of money. Then you offer a free chapter to attract more readers, you guys. You don't not just writing, but you have to continue and sell it too. So friend, don't wait to be for a perfect time. No, there is no perfect time. Start writing your ebooks today, even if it's just an outline. In 30 days or less, you could be launching your very own digital product that can earn you $2,000 every month. Tell me what you think. Do you have any idea about ebooks? Me, I have. I'll soon be launching mine, the first one, and it is so amazing. Guys, let's go and exercise what we have learned in today's video. See you in another video. Bye bye.